If I told you success is not about talent, not about money, but about how you treat people. This powerful idea comes from the legendary book How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. The first secret is very simple, yet life changing. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. Because criticism doesn't change people, it makes them defensive. Instead, try appreciation. People are hungry for recognition. A few sincere words can win hearts faster than any argument. Second, make people feel important. Not fake, not exaggerated, but genuine respect. Because every person you meet is silently asking, do I matter? Third, because genuinely interested in others, ask about their lives, listen carefully, remember their names because a person's name is the sweetest sound to them. Fourth, smile. It costs nothing but creates everything. A simple smile can open doors that words can't. And finally, talk in terms of the other person's interest. If you want to influence someone, don't talk about what you want. Talk about what they want, because real power is not in controlling people, but it's in understanding them. So remember, if you want to win in life, then first win people. Thank you very much for listening.